Hello viewers, welcome to this episode. If you come across this type of question in any exam, this is what you will do. First of all, remove the bracket. How do we remove the bracket? Use 9 to multiply n, and 9 times n will give us 9n minus 9 times 2, and 9 times 2 will give us what? 18 over the same denominator, which is 5, is equal to n plus 10 all over what? 1. Since we have a fraction here, make this one to be a fraction by putting over 1. The next thing that we are going to do is we will cross multiply. Use 5 to multiply the expression that we have here, which is 5 times n. It will give us 5n. And the 5 times 10 will give us what? 50. Equal to, use 1 to multiply what we have here. It will still give us the same value, which is 9n minus 18. So the next thing that I will do now will be, I will collect the like terms together, which is 5n minus 9n. When this 9n crosses this equality sign, the sign will change from invisible plus to minus, equal to minus 18. When the 50 that we have here crosses, the plus sign will change to minus. We will now have minus 50, which is 5n minus 9n will give us what? Minus 4n. And minus 4n is equal to minus 18 minus 50 will give us minus 68. We now divide both sides by the coefficient of n, and coefficient of n is minus 4. Is divide this by minus 4. This minus 4 will cancel out. We will now have n is equal to minus 68 divided by minus 4. The minus sign will cancel out. 68 divided by 4 will give us what? 17. So answer to the question is 17. But please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not, so that you will get notification when I upload new video. And if you are watching me from Facebook and TikTok, you give my page a follow. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye.